sees me.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are doing some camping. It's kind of hot still out here. It's about 86 degrees is what the truck was saying, but the spot that we just found, really nicely shaded, but it's unfortunately been super trashed by its last visitors. So we're gonna do a little bit cleanup around here. Why are people so gross? How much trash we just picked up. Much better though. Carly's got a little grabber, had some gloves. All right guys, now that we got camp all cleaned up, we're just gonna level out the truck. And I'm using a little leveling app. So check this side first. Looks good. Check this side of the truck. So it looks like I need a little bit up in the front.
Yeah.
Bye, dog. It's a nice evening, guys. A little bit windy, but it's supposed to die down around 8 o'clock. Oh, come here. Who's a good girl?
Sauce.
All right, guys, so today we're making some musubi. And essentially musubi is it's like a seaweed roll, but with Spam. We got some rice. We got some sushi nori to wrap it, and then I'm also going to glaze the Spam in some soy sauce, some rice vinegar, and some sugar. And then we also have some of this furikake wasabi flavor that we're gonna pour on top. So cut the Spam into pieces. Slices can be as thick as you want them to be for the musubi. Next, you're going to create a marinade out of soy sauce and sugar. Pour that over the Spam. You're going to let the Spam sit for about 15 minutes. While that marinates, warm up the rice with a pot of water. After 15 minutes of marinating, pan fry the Spam until it is browned on both sides. I'm just going to cut them straight in half like this. After the rice has been heated up, mix up vinegar and sugar to turn that rice into sticky rice. If you're using Uncle Ben's instant rice, I would definitely go light on the rice vinegar because this turned out a little bit strong for our taste. We did add some furikake sauce to this because it was a little bit vinegary, and I think I honestly just added a little bit too much of this. And especially for instant rice, since we're out camping, we were trying to keep it easy. So we're gonna start assembling. Grab one of these, and I do not have a mold or anything, so I'm just gonna pack it right onto the Spam itself like this. I'm gonna try and pack it in from the bowl. This is not gonna be perfect.
You can usually put a little bit more rice than this, but this is kind of the way I like it. But to seal this off, you just grab a little bit of water. It was pretty good. I think the rice vinegar might be a little bit strong because I added a little bit too much, but definitely less than the vinegar. And I'll put all of the ingredients and the directions down below in the description, since we were kind of all over the place. This is the first time we've ever made this. We've never even made this at home, so this is just something new that we're trying out here. But overall, not bad. These are pretty big wraps, and I got this from Seafood City. But the recipe actually called to cut these in fourths. But we actually really like sushi, or not sushi, but seaweed wraps. So we're okay with having a lot more seaweed on the musubi. But you can definitely cut the seaweed a lot smaller if you don't like that much seaweed on the roll. But this is actually keeping the rice and the Spam all together, so it's pretty good. Alright guys, so we finally got the replacement Goal Zero from Goal Zero. So there's actually a 1 year, I think 1 or 2 year warranty on this. And since I just bought this last year in June, they were able to swap it out. I just needed to send it to them first, and then they sent me a brand new one. So that's pretty awesome. Super excited. Just in time too for our trip this weekend. Alright guys, so we're making some sloppy joes tonight. My can opener that I just bought for the camp tote. Is that correct? No?
Made it work, huh?
It made it work. Manwiches are on the way. We're just toasting up some buns. Essentially, we are all the way down Lovell Canyon Rd until you get to some dirt. It's not as cool as Mount Charleston, at least, you know, temperature-wise. I got to check the elevation of where we're at. There is no cell service out here, though, so I'm not really sure. But yeah, if you guys are interested, coordinates down below. Alright guys, well that concludes the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new here, my name is Caden. I do a new video every week on pretty much anything outdoors, camping, hiking, fishing, adventure videos like this one. So definitely check out the channel if you guys are into that. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks. That is a big bug. Oh dear.